Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve greatest common divisor problem. Right? Second problem of State Code 75 study plan questions. Right? So for start the question, first of all you have to understood the problem statement. Then start the code. Right? So here you can see what problem we have given for two string S and T. We have given a two string input, string 1 and string 2. Simple S and T. We say that T divides S. इट मीन्स जो फर्स्ट वाला स्ट्रिंग है वो डिवाइड होता है सेकेंड वाले स्ट्रिंग से. राइट, सिंपल थिंग्स. कोई नहीं. फिर आगे वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द लार्जेस्ट स्ट्रिंग्स एक्स सच दैट एक्स डिवाइड बोथ स्ट्रिंग 1 एंड स्ट्रिंग 2. राइट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, if this string divides this, and here also mentioned, here you can see, so string 1 plus string 2 should be equal to string 2 plus string 1. Right, let me write it here. String str1 plus str2 dot equals str2 plus str1. Then only we can say that if we can divide this first string by the second string. If it will false, I have written note here, so we have to return from here empty string. Right, after that let's find out the greatest common divider length. Right, for that I have to return a greatest common divisor function. Get greatest common divisor. Right, in this we are going to pass string 1 dot length and string 2 dot length. Right, after that we have to implement this function. Public, let's make it private. We are not use this function outside this class, so we should make it private function. Right, so private int, the method type return will be int. Right, because we are going to return a integer here. So in this we are going to input int a and b. So basically a is the length of string 1 and b is the length of string 2. So we have to check simply here. If let use wildcard. Right, return b is equal to 0. If ये जो क्वेश्चन मार्क होता है इफ की तरह वर्क करता है. राइट, b इज इक्वल टू 0, देन वी हैव टू रिटर्न a. राइट, और else we have to return get gcd b and a percent b. Right, will give us the percent value, and here we have to return str1 dot substring 0 to gcd get gcd length. We already find the length, gcd length. Right, so this substring will give us the string from 0 to ending index, whatever it will return from here. So let's dry run this question. For first we have value a, So here, from here you can see string 1 plus string 2 and string 2 plus string 1 both are equal, right? So this method will not execute, it will go here, and here we are going to call this method, and here in this method we are going to provide a की लेंथ कितनी होगी अपने पास 6 and the b length is 3. So here a is 6 and b is 3. So b, yeah, b is 3, so 3 is equal to 0. No, this condition will not execute it. It will go in this condition and it will return from here b and a percent b. So you can see a is 6, b is 3. In this condition it will return 0, right? So sorry, a is 6 and b is 3. In this condition it will return 3. So here, from here we are going to find the substring abc, right? In this condition you can also check, it will return 2. In this condition, here lead code is string 1 and string 2 and string 2 plus string 1 is not equal to, then we are going to return a empty string from here, right? So let's run this program. I have, oh sorry, I have to forgot to close this bracket here. Again giving error. Why we got this error? String 1 dot substring. String 1 dot substring. So yeah, here I mistake s should small here, right? Let's run it again. Yeah, go to the test, get passed. Let's submit it. Yes, it got accepted. So if you like the way I teach you, please subscribe. I will go to solve all this problem for you guys. Thank you.